Hi, Scott Culbertson from the Kofax partner team. I'm joined today by Carlos Latourette, CEO and founder of Latourette Consulting. Carlos, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Scott.
You know, we were chatting earlier about digital transformation. It's such a tremendously hot topic with a lot of our customers. And I know they struggle. They struggle to just kind of get started sometimes. How do you go about having those conversations with your customers, and what do you tell them?
Well, actually, I think this is something that our customers start the conversation themselves with us right now. I think the buzz is so big that everybody needs to talk about digital transformation. I think what we are doing now is act like a doctor, physician in practice, just helping them figure out what really is digital transformation, because the buzz is so huge with such a noise that nobody really knows what's it. And this is a good starting point to help them figure out what's there.
Yeah. Do you think it's almost scary? Some of them are afraid to get started just because it's so big.
It's information overload.
Yeah.
And they need somebody to help them to understand the first steps they need to think about on engaging something that will change their companies. And that's what we do, helping them figure out how eliminating some steps, or how a company without physical processes would help their business being sustainable for the future.
Yeah. So what are the kinds of things you do to kind of get them started? How do you take them through that process?
Yeah, we need to sell a big vision and start with baby steps. Yeah. And that's more or less the receipt.
Yeah. Are there certain areas have you seen where you've had success in certain types of applications or departments where sometimes is a great starting point for digital transformation?
Well, you see the industry is claiming all this stuff, but one starting point that is moving many companies into this worlds is the customer onboarding.
Okay.
Everybody is very concerned about what is happening in the industry worldwide. For instance, if you think about finance industry, everybody is scared about fintech thing. So anybody now can be a bank or can be an insurance company, and they need at least maintain the pace of those initiatives. So it's not really so difficult to enter a conversation. It's more important to give them the security that they are in good hands with the technology we are providing, and with the knowledge we also can add to the technology.
Yeah.
That's the most important thing.
Yeah, fantastic. One of the areas where we've seen a lot of partners really kind of focus with their customers is around robotic process automation. Is that another area where you see a lot of customers coming to you trying to figure out ways to do things faster and easier, and using robots to help them?
Yeah. This is also interesting because everybody is now talking about robots, artificial intelligence, machine learning stuff, and I'm remembering a post in LinkedIn yesterday. Somebody was typing like, now everybody thinks that any more specialized algorithm is artificial intelligence. Mm-hmm. So once again, we need to educate people that not everything is robotics or artificial intelligence. The basic here is to help organization deal better with documents and business processes. And yes, there are many activities, manual steps that interact with digital information, because when you talk about robotics, we are not talking about bringing the physical to digital, but to streamline already digital processes, like going to a website or interacting with already in place systems. And we need to see also this opportunity integrated in optimizing everything around optimizing business processes. And RPA is just another tool that we will have tools like ATA or whatever to accomplish a mission that is augmenting the productivity of any company.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Carlos.
Thank
it's a
you.
pleasure having you.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today. Carlos Latourette, CEO and founder of Latourette Consulting.